MDT HNT 26 chassis. 2908 was the last time, and roughly 2900. And I hit right where I was aiming. Good morning, everybody. Al here from BC Extreme Outdoorsman. Today I am at the gun range and I have my 300 Win Mag with me. It's been really windy the last couple days, and we got targets now here out to 900 meters like you've seen the last time I was here, and we actually have a 100-yard zero check, and I'm going to check my zero with the 300 Win Mag because I haven't shot that gun for a while. Get velocities and just make sure it's zeroed. And then I'm going to try to take it out to distance and have some fun here with the long range here. But and then after that, I'm gonna go find some all the steel targets that I used to have set up here, and we're gonna get ready to put those up here in the next couple weeks. And as you can see, it's mid-December. There's no snow here, which is crazy. Usually there's tons of snow here. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna go set up a target at 100, and then check the zero on my 300 Win Mag over there, and then take her out to extremely windy out. Just getting some targets ready here. I don't buy targets. I just use little dots. Buy these on Amazon for cheap, and I use scrap paper that has been used from work. Yeah, it's windy. You can have a good, well, over there showing, but we'll see what we can do. Always a good day when you're at the range. I will double check that this is 100 meters. Not that I don't trust them, but just want to be precise with your data. If it's 110 meters instead of 100 meters, it's going to throw your dope off quite a bit at distance. So I'll go stand on sit on a table and range it and see what we get. Kind of wobbly, but it's all good. 101 meters, which will be close enough, I'm sure. Set up the Garmin so I can get my velocities. That should be ready. Okay, I'll get set up here and then we'll take a shot. Okay, just to show you the gun. This is a 300 Win Mag. It's got a Elijah barrel with like 1,800 rounds through it. It was custom made by ATRS. It's just a Remington 700 action. It's been accurized and by ATRS. Never had the barrel off, but I will be soon, I'm imagining. It's a Night Force NX8. Was it 5 to 20? 2.5 by 20. And of course, MDT HNT 26 chassis, and I'll be shooting the 208 grain Hornady ELD M's. Yeah, so without further ado, let's check the zero on this thing in velocities, and then we'll take her out to distance, see if we hit anything. The flags out there are going crazy, so it's going to be challenging. Always is at this range. Okay, so I'll take a shot here. Hit the center dot and see how this works. I haven't shot this gun in a long time, so see what happens. 2912. It's loud under here. Holy cow. Okay, let's see where that is. All right. $29.12 again. Difference in speed was 0.1. Yeah, it's saying 2 shots. I'm gonna have to go to the right or left a tenth. Yeah, I gotta go to the left 1/10. That one was in the same hole. That one's 28.92. So I go to the left. Left 1/10. Brings me back to 0. All right. This thing just shoots amazing. It's crazy how good this rifle shoots. Okay, so I moved it over a tenth. Then I'll get my Kestrel and update my take a shot at a new dot here. Bottom right. Maybe we'll take the one more. Definitely went over a tenth. Maybe a little more, but yeah, I'm gonna leave that as is there. So, what do I got for data? My 5 shots, I got a standard deviation of 9.6 and an average velocity of 2903. Out of these bullets here, so I'm gonna just take one more shot with ones that I hand loaded, and then we'll call that good. Okay, so I went and got another one. We'll just see. I'm not gonna reset the Garmin. I'll just pick a new dot here. Actually, I'll shoot at the bottom right. Yeah, happy with that. It's probably, I don't know, 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch group maybe. Remember, this rifle has like 1,800 rounds through it. It's got a lot of rounds through it. Okay, let's have some fun and take her out to distance. Okay, before I do that, let's update stuff here in the Kestrel. Go down and find my 300 Win Mag. It's right there on. Okay, on. 2908 was the last time, and roughly 2900, so it's pretty much the same. And it's 101 meters, we'll call it. And yeah, we're good to go. Okay, so on that note, move everything over and do some prone shooting, the good stuff. Okay, I'm set up at 500 meters here. It's actually 504 meters. 2.7 is my dial-up. 2.7 is my dial-up. So with a tailwind, saying to hold the point left a 0.9 to the left, a 0.09. So like a 0.1, which is nothing. So if I just barely favor left to center, should be good. And the target I'm going for is the one on the right, the circle. I'm not sure how big that is, but let's see if I can hit it. Are we ready? And I hit right where I was aiming. Let's go for the one, the small one. Smoked it too. Nice. That was 504 meters. And I dial up at 2.7 mils. Let's take her out farther and see what else we can shoot. Now we're going to go for 700 meters. It's kind of a big target. 702 meters. Punch this in the old Kestrel. 702. And the dial up's going to be 4.6. And for wind, it's saying a 1 again. So basically, I'm just going to hold straight up and see how it goes. Okay, so dial up is 4.7. 4.6. That's what I got. And it is a big target, but should be able to see the hit. I'm just going to hold, see the wind flags. Just going to hold center. There's that one hit right in the center. I'm going to go for that. And I just hit 2 inches to the left of it. Elevation was perfecto. All right. Let's go right to 900 meters. Remember, this is meters, so that was 770 yards. The next one's going to be 900 meters, which is 9 meters. So almost 1,000 yards. Actually, I think it is 1,000 because it's not quite 900 meters. Okay, so I'm going to get ready here and we'll take some shots. Okay, I range that target at 918 meters. 918, double check this. 916, I think. 916.5, we'll go with 917. So the dial up is 711, which is 7.1. So then hold a 0.2 to the left. So let's do some shooting here. All right, 7.1 is the dial up for 917 meters. So I'm going to hold a 0.2 left with the wind that we have. I'm just going to hold straight up from what I've seen on the 700-yard target. Oh, I saw that. Off the left side. Might be a little high. Let me come down a 10. So I hit up there, so. Holy cow, the wind. Again. Oh, basically a 0.5. Let's see if I can hit another one, smaller one. That might have been just under it, eh? So if I hold a 0.5, I'm going to aim at that other one again. Actually, no, let's go for the smaller one. Oh, I saw that too. It's killing me, guys. Oh, man. Okay. Let's go back to the bigger one. Nothing like rapid firing with the 300 Win Mag, but that's a small target. I saw that. That was almost center too. It's almost like shooting a PRS stage here. I bet you my barrel's pretty warm, but I've shot PRS with this rifle, 20 round strings, and the thing still shoots, as you see. But I'll give it a little bit of a break here, and we'll come back to this. All right, everyone. Once again, 300 Win Mag. Going for the 900. Dial up with 7, I believe. It's just what I had it on. Okay, for wind. I don't know, man. Let's go. God, from shooting at 500, I was aiming on had to aim on the right side. I'm gonna hold the right edge, I think, even though my brain's telling me not to. All right. I saw nothing. I'm just going to hold straight up. Okay, I saw that one. Wow, it's just exactly what I thought it would be doing. In fact, I only got 2 shots left. I was holding on the right end, or that one went right where I was aiming. Last shot. Last shot. If that one went right where I was aiming. God, the wind's just crazy. I hate missing on my last shot. But I tell you, man, the wind here is not an easy thing to deal with at all. It's just, especially today. Look at, I'm underneath the cover here, and look at my Kestrel thing. It's going, like, it's crazy windy. You can hear the wind howling above me. Okay, everybody, you can see what the wind's doing. Look at the trees over there. So the wind is really howling. This here is been protecting us from the wind. Yeah, feel that? That is a lot of wind, but it's all good. Okay, I haven't gone to the rimfire range yet, but I'm probably not going to shoot just because it's so damn windy. Yes, it would be good to practice in that kind of wind, but it's just too windy for a rimfire. It's just, you can't really get any good practice in. But so I'm gonna pack up here, and this could be it. And if it is, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, hit the notifications button so you don't miss any future content. Like I said in my last video, I'm not getting many views at all anymore. It's the new algorithm that YouTube came out with, I think, I'm way down on like the subscribers. I used to get like at least 2 a day, and now I'm getting way less, like maybe 2 a week, if that. I'll get 3, I'll get 2, and then I'll lose 3, kind of like that, eh? But I just bought all new cameras. That's what I'm using right now, and if you could please subscribe if you're watching this video, if you like my stuff. Leave a comment if there's something you'd like to see me do that I've done before that I haven't done for a while. I'm a little nervous about doing hand loading videos just because of YouTube rules and regulations. But the biggest thing is subscribe and like the videos, share the videos. It's greatly appreciated. Yeah, on that note, once again, Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you guys have fabulous holidays and spend some time with your family. And I'm going to be spending time with mine here. And so take care, everybody. Like I say, please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, get some of your friends, family, co-workers, whoever to subscribe as well. And that might help my algorithm come back. So like I say, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Take care, everybody. Be safe. And I'm going to go check out the rim for a range. Might video, might not, but if not, see you in the next one. Take care.